The vehicle is equipped with an SOS Emergency Call system, through which a rescue call can be made automatically or manually in case of emergency. The rescue call can be set in the vehicle condition interface. You can select between 112 eCall or private eCall. Once connected, the vehicle can be located and the vehicle information sent, effectively reducing the rescue time. When the SOS system is functioning regularly, the indicator is green. If the indicator is off or red, there is a system failure. Prompt troubleshooting is required. When an airbag or seatbelt pretensioner is triggered, the SOS function will be activated and a rescue call will be made automatically. In case of emergency, you can also press and hold the SOS button for 2 to 4 seconds to manually trigger the emergency call system. Once the rescue call is connected, the SOS indicator will flash green and the occupants can request assistance from the rescue center.